How to log in account. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your account on Manus AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for Manus AI website. As soon as you enter the website, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option for sign in and sign up. You are looking to sign in, right? Just simply select or tap in sign in. After you click on sign in, you will be forwarded to this interface. Now just simply select the account that you have created your account with. For example, if you have created your account with Google, just simply tap on Google and click on continue. If you don't know how to create account on Manus AI, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna log in into your account on Manus AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.